Hi guys, how's it going? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I really hope so. Today guys, we are going to talk about the Hydra. We are going to use the brute force to win the access of the SSH with the password.txt. And we're gonna create it with the Python, and I'll show you guys the another way to using the crunch. Okay, and let's presuming that you know the the guy used password, the old password, like he always used password, and now he put some numbers inside, and you don't know why, and not which numbers is that, but you know it. He add hyphen like that, password hyphen and some numbers, but you don't know why, and you're gonna to try to access the SSH based on this information. Okay, so you don't know if it has 4 number or 3 or 2 or just 1, and we are going to use Python to make some combinations and try to access the SSH with the brute force. Let's go inside this folder. I have 2 files inside here with some passwords, and that one rock you, it's very big, as you can see, 1034 megabytes. It has a lot of passwords, and if you run this file on inside your Hydra, it will take too long to done the tests, and we don't want that, because we already know it starts with password hyphen. We just need to find some numbers. Then let's create our Python file. I'm going to use input on the variable, because you can use the another type of passwords with this algorithm. Let's create some prefix, and we use the input. Say the prefix. The prefix, I mean to say what you already know, like the password hyphen. Okay, now we gonna to inform the characters. Let's say just chars input. Inform the numbers. Okay, now we are going to create a list, but it's gonna start empty. Let's permanent, and it start empty. Okay, now we are going to use the for to run the numbers. If we want to use 4 numbers, we are going to use 4 well, the chapters 1 in chars, for chapter 2 in chars, for C3 integers, for C4 integers. Okay, there is the 4. Our combination gonna be the prefix and the characters. Prefix C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, we gotta to add in the list, then we call the perm append comb. Now we have done the list, and we are going to save inside the file.txt, and we are going to use the with open the file name, pass python.txt, and we are going to write inside. Then we gotta to use the w as f. Let's use the another for f dot write. We are going to write the pass now in the file. Okay, and that's the pass, and we want to jump the pass one below another one, so we use this command but inside like that. Our algorithm is ready, and let's see if it's gonna work. I hope so. Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X, cat pass. There is the algorithm. Let's run it. Python, what's the name? Pass.py, Python pass.py. Say the prefix, password hyphen, password hyphen, inform the numbers. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. There is the file. Let's see if we created right. Okay, there is the file. We created right with all the possibilities with for numbers. What we did here is, let me show you with, we used 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camps. The first one is fixed. We know it's the password hyphen, and we used 10 possibilities in each one. Then it's 10, 10, 10, 10. You multiply, then like it's fixed, it's just one. It's gonna give you 10,000 possibilities. As you can see, it starts with the 0 and ends up with the 999. there's a lot of possibilities, but we don't know if it ends up with 4 numbers or 3 or 2 and 1. But now I'm gonna create another file with just with 3 numbers using the crunch. I used Python to understand the logic before the inside the algorithm, and now with the crunch it's a little bit different. We're gonna to count how many digits it's inside, and if we are going to use just 3 numbers, we're gonna to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 numbers. So we're gonna start with 12 and end up with 12. Hyphen T, this is to use the numbers, and now we have the beginning with this password hyphen, and now we're gonna put inside 3 numbers only. Then we're gonna use 3, and what's the possibilities numbers? It's all of them: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There's the possibilities, and we save with the crunch 3.txt. And like I show you guys before, with 3 numbers it's 1000 possibilities, like it say here. If we see the file, there's it. Now we create with only two, and it's 11 crunch 2 with same possibilities. Now it's like here, 10 plus 10 plus 10 times 10. Now with one number, that's gonna be 10 characters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And there is just 10 possibilities. Okay, we have create 1 2 3 4 files. Now we gonna to make the final text, like cat pass Python crunch 1 crunch 2 crunch 3 final pass text. Let's see, there is the final pass with all the possibilities, with 4 numbers, 1 3 2. Okay, there is it inside. There is our file, it's done. Now we're going use the Hydra and test the the Hydra with the brute force. I'm going to change the password. Password. My current password. My new password. I'm gonna choose one of them to try to find out with the brute force using the password in the beginning. Okay, it have updated successfully. What we're gonna do now? We are going to use Hydra, of course. Then let's go. I don't need the another files anymore, and then let's remove crunch 1, crunch 2, crunch 3, pass Python text. There is it. The final pass is that one. Let's start assuming that you know the username. Like in that case, it's the Kali, the username, and you need to know the IP, of course, to access the SSH. In my case, it's that one. Let's copy it. But you're gonna know the username and the IP of the machine you are going to attack with the Hydra. Hydra -L. In this case, I won't use the list to try the users because I know it's Kali. Okay, then you're gonna use the -L, Kali, and -P in the uppercase. To show the Hydra, you are going to use the .txt, and I call the file, the final pass, the IP. I have copied already, paste, and now what we are going to try the brute force. In that case, we are going to use the SSH, and there is it. Let's try and see if we can find something. Fuck it. Oh, I haven't opened the SSH. Of course, we won't access it. Now it's running. Fuck. It's gonna take some time. Let's wait it. I hope it don't take so much. I won't pause this video to show you guys the real mode, how is it going, and it's tell me it's gonna tries per task such as 6 100. Uh, well, 138 tries, and here it goes on. I will pause for this video don't take too long, and when it's done I call you back. It give me in the first tries 138 tries per minute, and now it's 105 tries per minute, and it's going on, and it's done. It's found some password. It's bring me here, and how many time it takes. It started on this time and returned me on this time. Let's try. I don't know if it's right. I'm gonna close it with the Ctrl C. Let's see if that's the right one. SSH Kali. The IP. Now I'm going to use this password. And there is it. We are inside. The Hydra found the password. Okay. And let me tell you guys how big is the file we just created. 800 kilobytes. In the Rockio it has 100 megabytes. It's very big, and let's try to find this password inside of this big file with the grep password Rockio, and with this extension file we don't have this password. It's gonna run all the extension files. It's probably will takes some days running the Hydra, and you wouldn't have found the password. And like when start knowing the password, hyphen is the beginning of the password, and we create all the possibilities. We have this very thin file. Oh, I said the wrong one. Our file is very little with 151 kilobytes, just very little. And there is it, fellas. I hope you have enjoyed this video. That's all for now.